At a press conference held on the 6th of September 2022, members of the HSPDP, under the leadership of its president P Pangniang, had publicly opposed the implementation of the recent decision of the state government to introduce the Code of Criminal Procedure and Code of Civil Procedure in all tribal areas of the state. Speaking to reporters, the MDC of Maukanrao, Martal Mukhim, said that the government has been trying to encroach into the areas under the jurisdiction of the 3 district councils of the state, insofar as the judicial power of the councils is concerned. The HSPDP has therefore informed that reliable sources say that the High Court and government judiciary are not too happy with the particular power and authority of the district councils in the state of Meghalaya. As a party, the HSPDP in its meeting held on the 3rd of September 2022 had discussed the issue at the district level, and the same has been escalated to the Central Executive Committee meeting held on 6 September 2022, which in turn has endorsed the decision of the party to oppose the move of the state government to immediately implement the Code of Criminal Procedure and Code of Civil Procedure in all tribal areas of Meghalaya, informed Martal Mukhim.
Di disausil la ban sna kanu ka an ha ka bayadai bat kene ka judiciary bat ka kam bisa sinchar te handrai kumba pitip hi ban yo I hak babon ki khat wala de kam don kene ka notification ru ka state government ngam ong misuse ka don ka encouragement hak babon ba ki banta jong ki ching teng ko chung hak ching hapo ini autonomous areas te ni menta namar kene ka one from reliable sources tingimut ba ka government ni don ru ka ching smell ba kini ki high court ki government could kim scoutnat ya ka ching don jong kani ka power and authority of the autonomous this council in the state if try and find out ways of means how to awaken, how to dilute ya ka power and authority of the this council tingi kum ka HSPDP na du ka lighting nilai discuss at the district level but menda ngilara ya ka ka Central Executive Committee meeting but ke Central Executive Committee kala endorse ya kane ban ai ya ke persya chomi ban la kerki ya kane kam syaka sarkar